So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited to compare two popular drinks coffee, which is Lishu and Creamy White. So let's find out mix one unique. Start.
First up is Coffee Lishu. This drink is known for its rich flavor and energizing properties. It's often marketed for weed management and contains a blend of coffee, herbal construct, and something added flavors like mocha or vanilla.
Let's try it.
The taste is bold and slightly sweet. Next, we have Coffee Creamy White. This coffee is all about that smooth, creamy texture. This usually contains coffee mixed with cream and sugar, creating a milder flavor profile that's easy to enjoy. The creaminess really softens the coffee's bitterness, making it perfect for those who prefer a sweeter, more indulgent drink. Both Coffee Lishu and Coffee Creamy White share a love for coffee and can give you that much needed boost. They're convenient option that you can easily prepare at home or go on the go. Now, let's discuss the differences. Coffee Lishu is more focused on energy and weed management, while Coffee Creamy White would emphasize a rich, creamy taste. The ingredients vary, with Lishu often including herbal extracts and Creamy White being more straightforward, white creamy and sugar.
I personally enjoy both for different reasons. One, this coffee lisho is great when I need a boost, while coffee creamy white feels like a treat on a lazy afternoon. I love to know your favorite. Have you tried either of these coffees? Let me know in this comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye!